DIY scrub, and let's get right into it. The ingredients for the scrub include sugar, salt, honey, olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, tea tree oil, goat milk powder, orange peels, charcoal powder, licorice, chamomile oil, jojoba oil. Welcome again. So today we'll be talking about we'll be making the DIY scrub. The first thing you need here is you need your sugar or your salt. So if you have a sensitive skin, don't go too much. Like I have a sensitive skin, so I don't go too much with the salt. So if you have a very sensitive skin and you feel like it burns when you, so you could just keep the salt entirely. So this is the side for the salt, and this is the sugar, which is the most important thing. So you go with your, next is your honey. This is very good. It helps with pigmentation, dark spots. So yeah, I feel honey is very important. The next thing is tea tree oil. This helps for acne, pigmentation, dark spots. Yeah, this is very good too. And this is my almond powder. So yeah, this is my goat milk powder. This is very good too. If you don't have goat milk powder, it's okay. You can just use milk powder, cow milk powder, or any powder, but just make sure it's powder. So yeah, this is my shea butter. Add a little bit of shea butter to it. And this is jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil. It helps with sensitive skin, people who suffer from sensitive skin, and works for reducing wrinkles. If you could see it here. Yeah. And this is olive oil. So yeah, and this is my vitamin C oil capsule. So there's oil in there, so I'll just, and this is Sadel's powder. This helps for pigmentation, acne, sunburn. This is really good. So yeah, if you have sandalwood powder, it's fine. And this is turmeric powder. So here is optional for someone with dark skin. If you have dark skin, you should just keep this ingredients. So yeah, and this is orange peels. So I peel the back of an orange, dry it for like 2 to 3 days. oils and everything. Told you it's give you that gel effect. You can see it. This makes the whole thing looks very good. So yeah, I think you should try yours at home and let me know how it goes. I've been using this for the longest, and this has been really good for my skin. So yeah, just let me know if you guys try it, just let me know how it goes. So I forgot to add the vitamins E to the mixture, so I just did a separate video in order to just show you how I added it. And this is the lotion part of the vitamin E. It's not the oil one, it's the lotion. So I just add it up to the mixture and give it a good stir. Make sure you stir everything in it. Everything is well dissolved there, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share this video if you feel it's been beneficial to you, and don't forget to subscribe again. It will mean so much to me. Thank you, and thank you for sticking